Very good morning. This is Dr. N.R. Madan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today, we are going to see about engineering graphics on the topic of isometric to orthographic projection. We will see one by one in the upcoming slides. And in fundamental, why we require this is understanding the transitions from 3D visualization to 2D technical diagram. Why it is required? Nowadays, most of the industries are using only 3-dimensional CAD modeling softwares, and in shop floor, most of the persons working on the machines, they only reading the 2-dimensional drawing. How we connect the customer's requirement to shop floor working person? Thus, bridge can be connected by the CAD modeling engineers. That's why we require 3-dimensional to 2-dimensional. In industries, in 3-dimensional, wide range of softwares are nowadays we have used. The most probably advanced used is Creo, is previously we called it as Pro Engineering, SolidWorks, CATIA, Solid Edge, and some of the topmost industries for security purpose, they create their own CAD modeling softwares for encryption decryption purpose. For security reasons they have used. In industrial 5.0 movement, most of the industries are used only their own 3D-dimensional softwares. In this case, for domestic purpose, most of the consumers, they only know the understanding of 3-dimensional. In shop floor, they only know about the 2-dimensional drawing reading, because in shop floor person, whatever the 2-dimensional diagram we have received, raw material, and this is the final part, they have worked on the machine. So, to bridge this, we required as a design engineer, we should know about how the 3-dimensional to the 2-dimensional technical drawing, not a 2-dimensional, is a technical drawing is required. How it can be varied, we will see on the next slide. This is difference between isometric to orthographic views. In isometric, we all know it can be created along the 120 degree, and it can be easily understand anyone, because it represents the 3-dimensional values and structures. So, we call it as this is easy for visualization, and distorted dimensions are foremost important in this isometric, and which is used in manual purpose. And this pictorial representation of 3-dimensional is called, in the single view, we call it as isometric diagram. In the orthographic views is mainly on true shape and size along all the views. Normally we call it as, primarily we call it as 3 views, and ideal for manufacturing. That is foremost important, because we have used isometric for data get it from the consumers. For manufacturing purpose, we required only orthographic projection, and standard technical communications only done on orthographic projection, because as a design engineer we are working on the system. Most of the shop floor persons working on the machines, there is no more miscommunication can be led by orthographic projections only. That's what we require as a design engineers. We require to know isometric as well as orthographic projection. And what are the standards solving procedures to conversion of 3D to 2D? First most is analysis views, because this is very important stage which is directly connected to shop floor persons. How? We will say on the next slides also. And identify the friend arrow. If it is not given, we should identify where it is, which is correct one. And observe the friend length, height and width. This is, once we analyze the view, it will finish proper finishing of final printing. If it is failed to analyze before the starting of the diagram, it will might be lead to the end finishing. So, it is very important, it is directly connected to end printing procedure. And second is very important as a design engineer, the box method. The box method is widely used in conversion of 3D to 2D. Imagine the object inside the box, that is very important. What is box? In front view as box, right side view as a separate box, left side view as a separate box, top view as a separate box, bottom view a separate box and back view also a separate box. And we can able to enlarge the all the views, we will get the drafting, we will move to the drafting. That is, the box is very important for any 3D to 2D conversion. Okay. And next one is drafting, is nothing but for basic requirement we should draw minimum 3: front view, top view, the side view may be a left or right, that is based on the diagram what is empathized, we will create it. And finally, the printing purpose we will go for finalization. Yeah, we will discuss enlarged on glass box visualization. This is widely used in all the 3D to 2D conversion phases. The glass box is a conceptual tool used to generate orthographic view. By placing the object inside the transparent box and projection, it feature on each plane. What is unfolding? All the views are box type views. As an engineer, we can visualize the box type into unboxing, unfolding of all the views. The question is arised from your side. What is the question? Is all the views are required? No. What the part can be empathized. The part may be a simple one is required, front view, top view, any one of the side view is required, is enough. If it is complicated, based on the complication of the part, we will increase the number of box, maybe more than 4. And I give another one option, better we go with another more than 4th option, we will try to sectional views, which is more convenient to increase the box views. The sectional views gives better understanding of shop floor persons. That is very important. And stepped L box. You can see this diagram. This is actually a raw material. This is actually a raw material. The length is 60 mm and width is 40 mm and height is again 30 mm. Here the problem is, where is the arrow head? Which one is front view? That is the problem. It may be a this or it may be a this. How to identify the arrow head? This is the analysis just the first step of analysis, how we can able to find out the front view. That is very important stage of engineer, as an engineer. It can be derived from shop floor. In shop floor, what is the cutting point? This is actually a cutting region, and also this is also a cutting region. The cutting region is placed on the top side. So this is the top view. Which machine has to be used to cut this part? Very simple, is a milling. In milling, how can the job can be holded? Is simply this way it will be holded. Based on the holding mechanism, Dixon fixtures mechanism, we should place the arrowhead. This is proper arrowhead of this diagram. So arrowhead, that is already I will tell you that analysis view is very important than the box type view. Without analyzing, you directly go to the box view is highly not recommended. So this is a front view, and based on that we will create the object. How can we create the object? Yes, simple. I give a step by step solutions of a basic views, and here it clearly says this is a front view, and in front view what all the parts can be, surface can be viewed. This all the surface can be viewed along this front view, and this is a front view, and in left side view this is this part and surface only can be viewed, even though it is two different parts can be viewed, two different surface can be viewed along the front view. It will be separated by means of this line. Without this line, it reflected both surface or same surface. We should not do like that. So, and similarly the end plane as well as, and this is reflect is it is a complicated object. Actually it is not a complicated one, it is a very simple one. Is the front view is making like this, and right side also making like this. Similarly top view, front view. Most of the placement drives, this type of aptitude can be erased, and hidden details implementation. For any hidden details like this is a hole in front view, how it can be reflected in terms of a dashed lines. What are the rules of making the dashed lines? 3:1 gap, 3 mm of line and 1 mm of gap. That is the rules. This is not a 3 mm exactly, is a ratio. 3:1 ratio. 3 times of line, 1 times of length. Now most of the books they shows us 3 mm 1 mm. It is not exactly 3 mm. It might be a 6 mm to 2 mm. Based on the diagram empathize, we can enlarge the 3:1 ratio. That is very important. And we all know about what is first angle and third angle. The first angle object is presence, observer and plane. The plane in third angle, the plane is between observer and object, and this is very important. The basic terms we should know about before proceeding to first angle and third angle. And most of the Indian, UK aero based industries, they have used follow on ISO standards. That is first angle projection, and most of the US and Canada based industries, they have used ANSI standards. And the master checklist is very important. alignment of top view and analysis view. Second one, line weight, hidden details should be maintained as 3:1, and center line, wherever the circle is, the center line is very important, you should consider. And consistency, maintain uniform dashed lines and hidden lines, I will tell you that during my presentation. And standard, explicit state the angle of projection should be used. That is, with this I conclude myself, the 3-dimensional to 2-dimensional, the bridging is very important as an engineer. Thank you. We will see on the next video.